Hello friends, welcome to Health and Beauty Planet. According to National Health Institute, most people need 4.7 grams of potassium every day. If you don't take enough potassium in your daily diet, you become potassium deficient. Potassium is present in all your cells of body, not in the blood. That's why it is very hard to find out the potassium deficiency through blood test. In today's video, I am going to tell 6 foods, which are potassium-rich. These have more potassium than banana. Everybody says that banana a good source of potassium, which is very true, but these are many other fruits also which have more potassium than banana. You can add these fruits in your daily diet. Number 1. Sweet potato. A medium-baked sweet potato has 542 milligrams of potassium. It is also rich in vitamin A, good for your eyes, vitamin C for your skin. Number 2. Swiss chard. 1 cup of cooked chard has 961 milligrams of potassium. It is good source of calcium, iron, and vitamins A, C, and K. Number 3. White potato. A medium-sized baked potato has 941 milligrams of potassium. White potatoes are low in calories and had healthy dose of vitamin C and magnesium. Number 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is rich in vitamin A, B6 and a great source of lycopene, as well as vitamins A and C too. Average size watermelon gives 641 milligrams of potassium. Number 5. Beets. 1 cup of cut beetroot has 518 milligrams of potassium. Researchers reveal that drinking beetroot juice 90 minutes before your workout could boost performance. Number 6. Black beans. Black beans is a great source of potassium. 1 cup of black beans gives 739 milligrams of potassium. Please try these home remedies and suggested tricks. Please share your comments below, and if you have question, please ask it in comment box. I will reply it at my best knowledge. Thanks for watching, and please give thumbs up to this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.